5 underrated bodyweight exercises for core strength. When it comes to building core strength, many people gravitate towards popular exercises like planks and crunches. However, there are numerous underrated bodyweight exercises that can effectively enhance your core stability and strength. Here are 5 such exercises that deserve more attention in your fitness routine. Number 1. Glute bridge. Why it's underrated. While often overlooked, the glute bridge is essential for core stability as it engages not only your glutes but also your lower back and abdominal muscles. How to do it. Lie flat on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Press through your heels to lift your hips towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Hold for a moment before lowering back down. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Dead bug. Why it's underrated. The dead bug is a fantastic exercise for improving coordination and stability while targeting the transverse abdominis, which is crucial for a strong core. How to do it. Lie on your back with your arms extended towards the ceiling and knees bent at 90 degrees. Slowly lower one arm and the opposite leg towards the floor while keeping your lower back pressed against the mat. Return to the starting position and alternate sides. Perform 3 sets of 10 reps per side. Flutter kicks. Why it's underrated. This exercise effectively targets the lower abs and hip flexors while also engaging stabilizing muscles in the core. How to do it. Lie on your back with your legs extended straight out and arms at your sides or under your glutes for support. Lift your legs off the ground a few inches and alternate kicking them up and down in a controlled manner. Keep your core engaged throughout. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 seconds. 4. Bird dog. Why it's underrated. The bird dog exercise enhances balance and stability while engaging multiple muscle groups, making it excellent for core strength. How to do it. Start on all fours with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Extend one arm forward while simultaneously extending the opposite leg back, keeping both parallel to the ground. Hold for a moment before returning to the starting position and switching sides. Complete 3 sets of 10 reps per side. 5. Hollow hold. Why it's underrated. The hollow hold is an advanced exercise that challenges the entire core, promoting endurance and stability. How to do it. Lie on your back and lift your legs off the ground while raising your shoulders and head. Keep your lower back pressed into the floor, forming a hollow position with your body. Hold this position for as long as you can, aiming for 20 to 30 seconds initially. Repeat for 3 sets. Incorporating these underrated bodyweight exercises into your workout routine can significantly enhance your core strength. They not only target various muscle groups, but also improve overall stability, which is essential for any fitness regimen. Remember to focus on form and control as you perform these exercises to maximize their benefits.